The built by legends. MINE'S R34. Skyline GT-R is a reimagined version of the legendary R34, combining cutting-edge performance with the iconic design of this beloved Japanese sports car. Built by Legends, BBL, has collaborated with renowned Japanese tuners and racers to create a vehicle that honors the heritage of the Skyline GT-R while incorporating modern technology and enhancements. Under the hood, the MINE'S R34 is powered by a 650-horsepower MINE'S MB7 engine built on a 24UN1 engine block. This powerful engine is paired with a 6-speed Getrag heavy-duty transmission, providing smooth and responsive gear shifts. The car's performance is further enhanced by the MINE'S VX-ROM ECU system, R35 airflow meter plus R35 injector, plus MINE'S fuel delivery pipe, MINE'S titanium tower bar, and a MINE'S carbon air intake duct. Suspension and brake setup will differ depending on the engine type. Aragosta suspension system. AP Racing 6-pot front calipers and 355mm RDD 2-piece 12-slit rotors. AP Racing rear calipers and 355mm RDD 2-piece 8-slit rotors. Wheels and tires. Rays 21, a 10.5J-18 wheels. Bridgestone Potenza Re 71 RS 265/3 5/18. Interior, luxury, and functionality. Step inside the MINE'S R34 and you'll find a cabin that combines luxury with functionality. The interior is fully reupholstered using Toray Ultra Suede, providing a premium feel. The stock R34 front seats have been restored and reupholstered with extra cushioning for added comfort, while the rear seats have been redesigned for improved hold and comfort. The full interior upholstery is crafted by Studio 60 in Kanagawa, Japan,